my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Food. Pizza night is always fun. It's a great finger food everyone enjoys. The beauty about pizza is you can play with the sauces and the toppings as well as the dough. I have so many flavorful pizza recipes like my sombrero, quattro formaggi, meat lovers, then Greek, seafood, pulled pork, Hawaiian, and so on. Here's another one to add to this yummy list. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Caribbean jerk chicken pizza. With delicious ingredients, this pie is so incredible. It's a little zippy, but like most recipes, you can always adjust it to your liking. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Before we start, keep in mind that this recipe is for 2 pizzas. Okay, so this is our poached and shredded chicken breasts, and I won't go on about how to do it the easiest way because I already did it in the past. So feel free to view it by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Alright, so to this, we'll add my homemade Jamaican jerk seasoning. Yaman! And just like with the chicken, click on your screen to get this amazing spice blend. You'll see a few repetitive recipes, and that's why I didn't post this featured one until now. So we'll give a good stir until the meat is well coated and set aside for now. Next, we'll go ahead and assemble the pizza. Here, I'm using my green onion pizza dough, but you can always choose my other ones, which are Easy Cheesy Herb or the Rustic Italian. Now, we'll add some barbecue sauce to it, and of course, I'm using my own Caribbean barbecue one. That sauce is packed with great flavor and gives the right flair to this pizza. If you want the recipe, you know what to do. So we'll spread it evenly, leaving about an inch around the edges before adding the shredded chicken. And same here, we'll spread the meat evenly. The next ingredient we'll add is a habanero pepper. And I highly recommend wearing a glove when handling this little guy. It's a naughty one. We'll also add corn kernels, which will bring some sweetness to the pie. Then about 16 strips of red pepper, followed by the same amount of poblano pepper, so it's nicely balanced. Oh my, what a colorful pizza. And finally, the cheese. Any respectable pizza needs some cheese. I use a mix of sharp white and yellow cheddar. If you prefer, you can use only one kind. We'll now transfer the pizza to a 500-degree preheated oven and bake for 13 to 16 minutes or until the crust is golden and the cheeses are melted. We'll let it rest for 10 minutes before slicing. And my friends, this is our Caribbean jerk chicken pizza. This pie has the taste and colors of the Caribbean. I have to admit, it's a little spicy, but not overly so. Colorful and definitely packed with great flavors, this is an original recipe to enjoy on pizza night. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!